bye to this dog who always just seems to end up in my house. Not even my dog. Yeah, that's right, you. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here to the timbers. Come here. Come here. You got a much stronger tail than the bales. You should play with the bales one day. One day you can play with the bales. One day you can play with the bales. One day, Timber. One day. Probably not though. So today, I'm gonna be driving across the country. My family's moving away from our house. This is the childhood house. If you can find it on the map, you know what? Don't come here because I'm not gonna be here. But if you do come here, you need to eat the buds off of this tree. See, there's little buds. You can eat them and chew on them. There's birds everywhere. Look at them. Oh, there's a bird in that tree. Oh, there's a squirrel. There's a squirrel. Where's the squirrel? Look at how ninja he is. Well, that took way longer than it should have. It took like 9 hours to pack everything up, but we're ready to go. It's gonna be a 46-hour drive, and I'm not looking forward to it. Here it is. Here's everything. Here's the BMX bike, which I did do a video on before. And you know, we got all kinds of stuff to be doing videos on. All kinds of stuff. The snowboards, the bike, and you know that panda bear over there. Goodbye, childhood. I'll miss you. Kind of. A little bit. It's cold though. Welcome to our home for the next 4.5 years. Or decades. Something like that. One last flight of the pricker bush. Ow! Ow! It always hurts every time. Day 2. Holy Toledo! It's been 3 days of hard driving. Well, actually 1, and we're getting bored. We're stopped. The dog is pooping, and it's still cold. Hey, Chewy, 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 Chewy.
The magic dragon lived by the sea, and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Jermaine! Johnny!
We're in the United States of Tejas, and I'm dying. Are you dying? Tagger it. Stop, stop, stop. Tagger it. Stop, 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 stop. Hey, come here, come here. Ah! Shocked me. All right, dude, so we're at the hotel. Today's gonna be the last day of the road trip, but I just wanted to give you a little tip. Something I do every morning. It really helps me out. It really helps me get started with my day when I'm waking up in a hotel. So I go ahead and I find the ironing board. It's usually in here somewhere. And there's always like a little cloth thing that they put on it, you know, just to get that extra unionalization, whatever that means. And I always just kind of take it off. You know, I take it off and I always go ahead and I just put it on the toilet like that. I just kind of wrap it around nice and tight, just on the top, you know, right on the brim. And it just gets my day going a lot stronger, and I highly recommend it. Are you tired?
Well, you better wake up.
Well, I'm gonna go to the bathroom right here, and if I get arrested, then I'm gonna be a sexual predator, so stay away from me. How you doing, Chewy?
Cheer, what's wrong? Cheer, what's wrong?
He says, I wanna get there. All right, guys, everybody's been doing this cool bottle trick, and I wanted to get on that grind. I think I got it. Ready? Woo! All right, we're here at a tourist attraction. It's called the Painted Forest. And it just looks absolutely amazing. There's so much nothing here that I would pay top dollar to go back there. You gotta pay. You gotta pay to go back there and see those nice deluxe weeds. And you know what? The weeds are right here. I can just take them right now. I can put them in my mouth. I'm not paying for that. Yes, this is the moment I've been waiting for. We're at Golden Shores, Oatman. Woo!
Yes, he's starting. All we have to do is...
Cheer, get him! Get him!
Well, we're posted up here, and I think that my parentos got stopped at the gate because they were smuggling people across the border. All right, here they come. Coming on dead ahead. They're coming. They're coming. There he is. Hey, Tommy, how you doing, buddy?
Traffic coming up next on 88 and 99, the highway line.
Well, we're home, and I'm ending this video here because I'm tired, and it's time to go to bed. Just kidding, you know, it's time to play some video games with my brother who's here. And you know what, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna show you this leaf, and I'll see you next time.